Hello guys, welcome to the channel. Today we will discuss polynomial regression. Okay, so what is polynomial regression? Polynomial regression is an extension of linear regression where we model non-linear relationships between input and output. Instead of fitting a straight line, we fit a curve. Now, what it means? In our previous video, we saw how we can use multiple linear regression and simple linear regression for basically for that kind of data sets in which our independent variable and dependent variable is following linearity. Okay, so when we will use polynomial regression, okay, when we will use polynomial regression, when our input column and output column will not follow linearity. What it means? Suppose, see this graph. Suppose this graph is of input and output column. So here you can see it is making a curve, not a straight line, right? In these kind of scenarios, we will use polynomial regression. Okay. So what first we will see, why do we need it? In real world data, relationships are often not linear, which I explained. Suppose an example, salary versus experience. Initial growth slow, then fast, then stable. So this will not follow linearity. Then we can perform polynomial regression. Temperature versus energy consumption, growth patterns, right? So in these cases, we will use polynomial regression in which input column and output column will not follow linearity. Okay, this is making a curve. So we will use polynomial regression. Now, how it works? Suppose start with feature X. Suppose this is my data set, okay, and this is my input column and output column, okay. And now I have this feature X, okay, and suppose this data set will this input and output column will not follow linearity, okay. Suppose I have this column X, which which is an input column, okay. Now we will start this with x, our x feature, which is our input column. Now in when we will fit polynomial regression in our algorithm, then we will have to choose a degree is equal to 2, 3, 4, 5, anything, any value, okay, up to degree n. So what it will do? Suppose I chose degree is equal to 2. What degree is equal to 2? What will it do? It will create a new feature. Suppose I choose degree is equal to 2 while fitting polynomial regression into my model, into my x feature, means in my input column. Then it will create a new feature, x square. It will hold all the squares of the value. Suppose I chose degree is equal to 2 to fit this x column. Okay. So it will create a new feature and all the values in x square will be its these values squares. Okay. Now suppose I choose x is equal to 3, then it will create two new features. Two new features. What it means? Suppose I choose degree is equal to 3. It will basically increase two features. One will x square and another one will x cube. In x square, all the values will hold squares of these values, and x cube, there will be all cube values of these values. Okay, this is how polynomial regression works. Okay, and then we apply linear regression on the new features. Okay, to create a model. Now we will see this using Python practically. For Python, I will use JupyterLab. For using JupyterLab, please download Anaconda Navigator. Once it will download it in your system, just search Anaconda from write cd, give your file location. This is my file location. Press enter. Write JupyterLab. Press enter. It will open Jupyter Lab into my browser. I will choose this. I will choose this. I will rename this polynomial regression. I will import my required libraries. Okay. Plot as PLT, import Cbond as Essence. Okay. Now I will load my data set. Okay. Data is equal to pd.read slash CSV because I have CSV file. This is my file. I will right click copy path, control V. Now I will check my data is loaded or not. Okay. So yeah, my data gets loaded and these are my first three rows. Okay. Now, first I will plot a graph to show you that this data set, this input and output column is not following linearity. Okay. Suppose plt dot scatter data. I will take my first column, control V. I will take my second column. Now, now plt dot show. Now you can see this is making a curve like a curve. Okay, this is not a linear line. This is not a linear line. Okay, so it is not following linearity and it is basically making a curve. So we will have to apply polynomial regression before making our model through linear regression. Okay, so first First, I will divide my data set into input and output. So we all know this is my input column and this is my output column. Okay. Suppose x is equal to data. I will take this input column into my x variable. Now in y variable, I will take output column. Okay. So I have separated input and output columns as x and y. Now, now I will import my polynomial regression Scikit-learn dot pre-processing import polynomial features. Polynomial features. Okay. Shift plus enter. Now, suppose I will make a object to call my polynomial features. Okay. Now we will have to give degree. Suppose I will give degree is equal to 3. What will degree is equal to 3 do? It will give two new features to my input column. Two new features, x square and x cube. X square in x square feature, all the values will be these values squared in second column x cube. All the cube values of these values will occur. Okay. So suppose I will take degree is equal to 2, then it will create a single new feature for my x feature, which will be its squares. Okay. So I have taken suppose degree is equal to 3. Now I will fit my x column because that is my input column x. Okay. Now I will transform my x dot transform. Okay. Now my input column, I have taken my input column into x variable. By degree is equal to 3, I got two new features, means two new columns for my x column, means input columns, x square and x cube. In x square, there will be my squares of these values will occur, and in x cube, cubes of these values will occur. Okay, so I got my two new features, and total I have now three features. Okay, three input columns now I have by using polynomial features, right? Now, now I will now I will build the model using linear regression. Okay, from scalar dot. First, I will basically divide the dataset into training dataset and testing dataset. Okay, into suppose 80% and 20%. 80% for my training and 20% for my training. So first, I will import train test split model selection, import train test split. Right now, now I will take my all four variables x train, x test, y train, and y test, and I will fit by train test split. I will call basically train test split. I have taken x and y column. Now I want 20% of the data set will be my testing data set. So I will give test size is equal to 0.2. Now random state is equal to 42. Okay. This is how we divide the dataset into training dataset and testing dataset. Now, my data gets divided into training dataset and testing dataset. Okay, so I have already covered train test split in my video. You can check the video. Okay, now I will build my model from sklearn sklearn dot linear model model import linear regression linear regression. Okay, suppose I will take an object. I will take an object to call linear regression. Okay. Now I will fit my x train and y train into my linear regression for basically training the model by my training data set, right? X train and y train means training data set of temperature, means the input column, and the training data set for my y column means output column. Okay, lr dot fit x train and y train. Okay, I'm training my model by my data set of training data set. Okay. It my model gets trained. Now I will check my accuracy of my model. Okay. X test. I will check my accuracy by testing data set into 100 into 100. Now, I got an accuracy of 84%. That is not so much good accuracy, but although we got the understanding of polynomial regression and then how to fit it by linear regression. Okay, so we got to know the concept of polynomial regression, right? Now, now I will show you a graph through which I will describe how it tries to basically draw a curve line to best fit the predicted data. Okay, to actual data, right? TLT dot scatter. I will take this. I have already plotted graph. Okay, now I will give a red line. I will again take this. Okay, now suppose I will make a new variable first. Predict. Okay, PRD predict is equal to LR dot predict my X column. Okay, okay. I will make this PRD and I will give color as red. I will give my line as color red. Okay. Now, now I will show reality dot. Okay. Okay. I forget this. Okay. Now see. So first we had a data set in which input columns and output columns were not following linearity. It was making a curve. So it tries to predict by making a curve line, making a curve line to predict the data. Predict the data. It tried to it tried to be as close as possible to actual data point. These blue data points are actual data points, and this is a prediction line. So that's how polynomial regression works. Okay, so this is how we do we use polynomial regression. Okay, for non-linear data. Okay, non-linear data. Okay. So that's all in this video. In the next video, we will see regularization techniques. So thank you.